Unveiling the phrase, take heed, a guide to prudent English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that often crops up in English conversations, literature, and even movies. Take heed. Have you heard it before? This expression is a pearl in the language, offering depth in just 2 words. By understanding it, you can enrich your English communication with a phrase that is both classic and meaningful. Let's get started and unpack what take heed really means and how you can use it in your daily English practice. When someone says, take heed, they're giving you a piece of advice that is timeless. To pay close attention to something or be cautious. The word take here means to adopt or start to have, while heed means attention or notice. It's like saying, listen carefully, or watch out for that. This phrase is a more formal or literary way to express this sentiment and is a sign of the speaker's seriousness about the subject. The phrase, take heed, has its roots in Old English, with heed deriving from the word hedon, which means to guard or to take care of. Over time, it has retained its cautionary usage and is often found in contexts that involve advice or warnings. Take heed can be used in various contexts. Here are some examples to help you grasp how to use it in everyday conversation or writing. In a conversation, take heed of the weather forecast before going sailing. In advice, take heed, this book is not for the faint of heart. In warnings, he didn't take heed of the warning signs and got lost. This phrase can be versatile, applying to both positive and negative contexts. For example, positive, take heed of her advice. She's an expert in her field. Negative, take heed of the expiration dates on your food to avoid getting sick. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, take heed. Remember, incorporating phrases like this into your language use not only helps you sound more knowledgeable but also deepens your understanding of English nuance and expression. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep practicing, and take heed of all the details in your journey to becoming fluent in English. See you next time.